In this video, we'll take a look at how much does a golf course make, and we'll break it down into a few different avenues of revenue. For a golf course, you probably ask yourself, how much does a golf course make? They must make some good money. On this video, we'll walk through how much each day a golf course makes, mainly with their daily revenue breakdown. A low municipal course on a given day could make around $15 to $3,000. With fewer rounds played, lower green courses, and limited operations due to weather and off-season timing. Now, the average public daily fee course, good weather and the weekend, could be right around on the weekend, could be right around $5,000 to $12,000 a day just in green fees. This is a fully booked near capacity tee sheet, which of course hosts maybe 150 rounds at an average package price with green fees and card of $65. That's pretty reasonable in New Jersey, and equals roughly around $10,000 in golf operations alone before food, beverage, and anything else. Now you have high-level resorts and premier destinations that charge 150 to 300 for green fees, resulting in $15,000 to almost $30,000 a day. Now, some of the other areas where they will make money would be obviously the cart rentals, usually accounted for the bulk of the daily play revenue. A busy weekend, it could be 150 to 200 players, which easily brings in $5,000 to $15,000 depending on the structure of the green fee and the car rentals. You have food and beverage, which would be the number 2 big factor. You have a clubhouse cart, girls that could go around. You have snack bars and banquets that often account for 25 to 40% of the facility's total revenue. On a busy day on a Saturday, it can easily be $1,500 to $5,000 of the daily total. You have also the Pro Shop, which brings in an extra $500 to $2,000 a day on accessories with high price margins, often 50 to 100% markups. And then, of course, tournaments and outings that might bring in $10,000 to $15,000 on a single day. But that could include food, prizes, and other green fees all bulked together. So what's the catch? Well, your daily net profit versus your gross revenue. While your daily revenue looks impressive, a golf course capital investment and high overhead prices are a big factor. So there's fixed costs. You have labor, you have maintenance crews, you have clubhouse staff, fertilizers, pest control, equipment leases, utilities. All must be paid whether the course is packed or completely empty during a thunderstorm. And your profit margins, on average, a well-run golf course operates on a net profit margin of 10 to 20%. Therefore, a golf course grossing $10,000 on a busy Saturday might only net $1,000 to $2,000 of actual profit for that day when operation expenses and long-term maintenance allocations are factored out. That's it for this video. Hopefully it brings you one step closer to playing golf and learning about the different avenues of how much it costs per day. Now, I did some quick math. If you were to start tee times at 7 to 7 o'clock, I would say 7 to 5, right? That's 10 hours. If we were to do every 10 minutes of tee time, which is pretty good. That's 6 tee times. 6 times 4, 10. It was right around $13,000 a day, $14,000 a day for green fees on $65 green fees. And then if you added a card fee on top of that, yeah, it's going to add up dramatically. What do you think about the price of golf? And with dynamic pricing, it becomes dramatic. It's dynamic pricing. Everything could go up dramatically. That's it for this video, all right? Go out there and play some golf in the near future here with the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.